And we are back with another video. All right, guys, it's your boy Young P-Town, Mr. Kicks and Fits. I am back in the building with another video. Let's see if I remember how to do this. So, cause it's been a minute. Y'all already know. Y'all saw my last video of the Michigan Fives. Yeah, if you want to see it, if you missed it, check it out. I'll put the link right here. But as you can see from the title of this video, we got another unboxing. Like I said, this came from Nike.com. I picked this shoe up when it came out. So, you know, it came in a box. Nike just needs to get rid of this tape. Gotta get rid of this Just Do It tape, Nike. But let's see what these are. Let's see what these are about. So, wow. So y'all should already see. It says that it's 11 and a half women's. So y'all already know what this shoe is. This shoe came out around Valentine's Day. Had it first day. Easy cop. Got that sticker right in there. Let's pull these boys out because I looked at them already. Like I said, I've been sitting on shoes for a minute. So, yes, let me show y'all everything. You get that. Well, it comes like this. Y'all should already know because y'all seen tons of videos on this, but got that quality sticker right there. Let's pull them out. Woo. Woo. Yes, these are a go. These are a go right here. So these are the women's UNC to Chicago. Chicago's right here. Look at these, man. These are dope. These are dope. So yes, I remember in a video that I had did on the Fearless ones, the men Fearless of this, and I had said that these right here are shitting on them. They are. They are. These are mean. This shoe. Oh man, I feel bad if y'all wasn't able to cop this shoe, man. Like this shoe is mean. Mean. Like the leather quality, toe box, real plush. You know, you can just push on it. Gives. Very soft leather. The medial side, or the medial side right here. It's pretty nice. It's not as plush as the front, but it's nice. You know, got the UNC check on here. Got the tag. Normally shoe tags, I take them off, but this is probably one I'm gonna leave on because it looks nice. The only thing that I feel that Jordan, the only drop that they did on this was the shoestrings. We should have got shoestrings this color and red, but we just got the black. So I mean that was just a missed opportunity. But other than that, these shoes are a go. And this UNC, it's more like if y'all have the Gamma 12s, it's more like that blue. It's like a Gamma blue. It's not really like UNC. But show y'all that Wings logo that y'all care so much about. Yeah, so I'm embossed. Got the Nike Air tab that y'all care about. Just the regular tab, you know. Yeah, these are dope, man. These are fire. So yeah, like I'm very glad that I got these. You know, I just had to do a little quick mini review for y'all, so y'all see, you know, what I've been copping. Like I said, I haven't been on here, but I have been copping a couple of kicks, so you will see that in my upcoming videos that I have been copping some heat. But yeah, that's going to conclude this one right here, man. So let me know what y'all think. Were y'all able to pick these up? And if you were, like, do you think these are better than the men's Fearless? And yeah, I mean, those men Fearless, them boys, I'm probably gonna sell them boys Cause like this right here, this is all I need, man. These are nice. I do like the men's ones, but this is way better, way better. So yeah, these will hit the toe this summer. And with that being said, that's going to conclude the video, guys. So if you like what I'm doing, like my videos, share my videos, and subscribe to the channel. And we are out of here, guys. Peace.